Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Sunday morning, 9 March 2025. And this is at Sunpai this morning. Different kind of morning. We refer to nature as mother, being a lady, and this lady not so happy this morning. A little bit of cloud cover. It's going to be cloud cover for most of the day. No wind really this morning. Nice and quiet. Wind will be up a little later. You can see the clouds in the back there. Clearly winter just around the corner. Well, this is at Sunpai this morning. Tide is low right now. Not as low as a few days ago, but low nevertheless. And then the tide will be high at noon today. Lovely morning, just a different lovely. Let's go check out Palkies. And of course, every morning is brought to you by myself and AR24. Who else? All right, and at the Palkies, we can see that it's quite nice and low right now. There's some cracks here, few 3-4 boats in the back that went out this morning. Haven't had any updates. I'm sure something came out during the night. And that's the conditions for this Sunday at Lagoon. Gonna be a bit cloudy, but still very enjoyable. Be out on the water, have fun, be safe, be fishing, tight lines. And I'll see you all tomorrow morning for an update.